Okay, this video is for the Truma system, which runs your furnace for cabin heat and also runs your hot water. So to get it activated, you're going to push this button, just turn it on. That first one with the little camper van flashing, that's for your furnace. So if you push that, it's off when I push the button again. And I'm going to roll it up to whatever you want. And usually, if it's really cold outside, I'll go to about 60, but I usually have blankets in here. It'll make your gas last longer. So if you need it hotter than that, go ahead, but it just does use gas faster. Once you get that on what you want, you push that again. And now it'll be going with that flame. The next one, if you roll the dial over, you'll see that now the little thermometer in the water is blinking. If I push that again, this is to get your hot water working. So off is just off if you're not using it. Eco is going to slowly warm it up. Hot is going to be about a medium on warming it up. And boost is going to warm it up as fast as possible. You're going to use more gas, but it will get hot pretty quickly and probably temperature hotter. So if you push that, say we want on boost, I'm just going to leave it on there. Oops, it went away. Boost, and you push it on there. See, it'll say it's on boost and it's flashing, knowing that that's now activated, and it'll be doing that. This one is to use gas or electric power to warm it up. To be honest, I was informed when I bought this to only use gas. It's the first setting. It will last a very long time, and you're also not draining your batteries. So I always use it on gas, and I've never had any problem with that. You can use gas or mix 1 or 2, which is basically using gas and electricity, or you can go to electricity 1 or electricity 2. Electricity 1 is going to use a little bit of electricity. This is going to use the max amount of electricity, and you will notice it's going to drain your battery very quickly if you're using this. So once again, I just leave it on gas because gas is easy and it lasts a long time in the camper van. And the next one is just for the vent fan. You can either on eco or high. You'll see, like, that doesn't really make that much of a difference, to be honest. So I would just leave it on eco. And there you go. So as you can see, when it's flashing, it's trying to activate. A couple things that'll happen. It will throw an error code right now because I do not have the gas open. And I showed you that in the prior video. It is on the passenger side underneath the black flap. You're going to want to make sure that the propane tank is open if you are trying to get this hot. So if you see an error code, that's most likely the one that is going on. Just so you know, the furnace, oh, there it goes, E121H. See, it's trying to warm up the hot water and the furnace, and there's no gas in there. So that is when I would want to open up the propane tank. And the furnace will come out of this port right here. And it'll come out of this one in the bathroom. And it'll come out of this one right here in the back. The AC is actually only going to come out of this port on the step.